Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ms. Osumba. In case you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And today we are doing a vlog when I'm cleaning my refrigerator and also arranging it up. So yeah, we did some small shopping to take us through 10 days of work. Now, I hope you guys stay tuned. Something and it smells that's why I'm going to use pure clean water. So the only things that I wash with soap are these ones. These ones maybe you can wash them with soap and then dry them up. But the inside part I don't do it with soap, so I just do it that way and it's done. So as you can see, everything here is done cleaning. So I'll clean these ones and then we'll pack these ones. I need to cover them up. I was waiting for them to like cool down before I put them inside the fridge, because you're not supposed to put something hot in the refrigerator. So I'll just cover them up so that they don't get dirt. So we are using these bags for to keep our things in the fridge. Mostly if those things that you put in the freezer, it's better to use these bags. They are so nice. They have the zip line on them, so when you want to open, you just open like that and then arrange your stuff inside there. Then you close it back, but you allow the air to come out is when you zip it up like these ones. So I peeled the pineapples and then arrange them inside here, so when I want to pick one, I just pick one and then leave the rest. And this one, if you put the food in the freezer, like meat, the samosas, they help the freezer, I don't know, there's a way they keep the heat from the freezer not reaching the food, so it's kind of healthy to put inside here than to put in bags like this. Initially I was using these ones, but a friend of mine from the US told me that I should be using these ones, so I thought, why not use that? So yeah, maybe you try that. Also, you can use these containers. They are also nice, but being that my fridge is not that big, I can't use these ones because they take a lot of space. So I just put the food remains on the smaller ones, and then yeah, that's it. So you can just put the meat or the fish the way you got them from the supermarket or from whatever place you got them from inside the bag. Yeah. So you put your food in small portions so that when you come to the freezer, you can just pick one of it and then put it in water, melt out, and then you cook it. So that's why I'm having my food into small portions. Yeah. So like if I have the mincemeat, I put the mincemeat in one zip. So when I want to cook, because I only use one, I pick one and leave the other one. guys, that's all about the video for today. Now anyone who knows where I can get the repair of this, please. I broke those things when I was moving into this place, and even this one. Can I get a repair? If you know, please let me know on the comment section. Is this how you arrange your refrigerator, or I'm doing my own stuffs? So yeah, after the freezer is well arranged, this is how my freezer looks like. So these are the packs I have. Now I know that here I have my meat, my mince meat, my goat meat, my chicken, yeah, and then my sausages and the smokies. And then I have my food remains here and there. I use the smaller tins for the food remains. And then yeah, the butter, my grapes, milk, remaining ugali, eggs. Is there anything you see here that is not supposed to be inside the refrigerator? Please let me know. And if there's anything I'm supposed to be changing, please also let me know on the comment section. Yeah, that's all about our video today, and please don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice time. I love you all. Stay tuned.